In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set send receive interval in Outlook. If you've ever wondered how often Outlook should check for new mail or push out messages sitting in your outbox, setting the send to receive interval is the key. This walkthrough is for the Outlook desktop application, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app and give it a moment to load your mailbox. At the top of the window, you'll see the ribbon. Click the Send Receive tab to switch from your mail view to the set of tools that control synchronization and server connections. This tab is where Outlook's mail check and sync options live. Inside the Send Receive tab, find the button labeled Send Receive Groups. It's a drop-down that manages how and when Outlook talks to your mail servers for the accounts grouped together. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Define Send Receive Groups. That opens the central control panel for scheduling. In the dialog that appears, you'll likely see a group called All Accounts selected by default. With your group highlighted, look for the option that says Schedule an automatic send receive every minute. Make sure this box is checked. This tells Outlook to run a send receive on a repeating timer without you having to press any buttons. Next, set the timing that works best for you in the minutes box. A reasonable range for most people is between 5 and 10 minutes. Shorter intervals can make new mail appear a bit faster, but they can also increase network and server activity, and on a laptop, they may have a small impact on battery life. If your accounts use Exchange or Microsoft 365 with push notifications, new messages typically arrive instantly anyway, so you don't need a very aggressive schedule. Outlook usually enforces a minimum of 1 minute. If you try to go lower, it will adjust automatically. Once you've chosen your interval, confirm your changes. Click Close in the Send Receive Groups window, and then click OK if you're prompted to save or exit. Your new schedule takes effect right away. From now on, Outlook will automatically check for new messages and send outgoing mail at the interval you set, keeping your inbox current without manual effort. If you ever need to pick up messages immediately, you can still trigger a manual send receive from the same tab. But with the schedule in place, you'll have a reliable, consistent cadence that matches how you like to work. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and fully under your control.